Coordinator sir, hardworking teachers, and all my dear schoolmates. A very enthusiastic morning to one and all present over here. I, Arya Joshi, and I, Aisha Gupta, are the hosts of today's assembly presentation, so please listen us carefully. Now, let us start our day with a beautiful thought. So for same, we would like to call Shrikanwartara and Barwaha. It is not about for voice. It is giving the permission to use your voice. The meaning of the thought is give yourself a permission to speak anything that gives you good vibes and makes you happy. Because it is a need to make the sense of it. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, what a wonderful thought it was. Arya, don't you feel we are less informative about our surroundings? Yes, you're right, Ayushi. So, let us call our friend Ishita and me to make us aware with our current happenings.
Today's news headlines are international news. European Union wants Elon Musk after Twitter found to have lowest disinformation.
National news. Karnataka bans firecrackers during processions, marriages and festivals, as per SC order.
Sports news. Rohit Sharma sets a record with his seventh ODI World Cup century.
School news. On 18th of October, CCA solo singing competition will be. Now, we are enriched with the information about our surroundings. But Arya, something is missing. What is it, Ayushi? Living in developing world, we should not only be aware about things around us, but should also be improve our language skills. Yes, of course, Ayushi. So, let us call Priyanshi and Ridhima with some glorious idioms. First idiom is blaze in your own trade. This idiom encourages following your own way or path in your life instead of following in the footsteps of others. For example, uh, she decided to blaze her own way in her life. Second idiom is march to the beat of your own drum. It means to do things in your own unique way rather than following the crowd. For example, she always beats drum. She always marches to beat her drum in unique way rather than following others, and does not lead influence the. Thank you. Finding us such a new idiom. Now, let us drive to a beautiful village with the help of a skid. I am tired of this life.
Why? What happened?
My father made me study so hard that I could work and earn to provide my own children the best education.
We can't do it so.
We have to take care of our life. I am hopeless. Pay attention, pay attention, pay attention. There is an assembly near the banyan tree. Pay attention, pay attention. There is an assembly near the banyan tree. Go.
I, Manohar Lal, the Sarpanch of village, welcomes you all.
I, along with all the panchayats, decided that there should be a training center where all the men of the village will get training, and after training they will get a job and meet their families and comfortably. But I, what do you want to say? What do you mean? Your idea is really very good, but sorry to say, I don't support it.
You don't? What does this mean? We are working hard to get a training center established. Are we doing anything wrong?
I'm sorry. You insulted all the punch by objecting this idea.
Beta, if anything is going in on your mind, then say, don't be afraid.
I have a query. Can only men support a family to have a better life? Now you women will work for the family. This is not possible. Not possible.
We should think about this. She is very much right. Women participating in the workforce and earning money contribute significantly to their economic empowerment.
Yes, the presence of women in the workforce is crucial. Step forward achieving gender equality.
Women working and earning money will have the opportunity to be advanced in the future. Working women will be able to contribute financial stability to their household and access to education. Women participation in the workforce will have broader societal benefits. It's really a wonderful idea. We strongly support it. We are sorry for dominating your thoughts, Meena. We must remember, we should be the voice, not an echo all the time. Our thoughts can change the world. We have changed our mindset. That is why it is said, be the voice,
Not an ego.
be the voice,
Not an ego.
be the voice.
Not an ego.